Be careful how you use it.
What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. Got the GoPro going. Got the other camera set up. So today we're not actually working on one of my cars. We're working on a buddy of mine. He's got a Nissan 240SX. Some slicks on the back. It's a sorry if I'm wrong, but I believe it's a 5.3 bottom end. Could be something else. Could be a 5.7. Not too sure. Turbo LS, basically, essentially. He wants me to do a tube front end on it. So I got this side all cut up, got the tow hook cut off. Got to cut off this janky radiator bracket someone made. We're gonna fix that. And then I got these plates here. I'm gonna go right on top, essentially. And then this one's gonna go right here. And then we'll bend it around, tack it up. And then we'll have the bar going from here to there. And then we'll have to make something that comes up here and clears the turbo, the front end, for the radiator mount. Because the radiator is gonna have to be angled like he currently had it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna set some cameras up, maybe do a little time lapse of me welding up this tube front end, and we'll see how it goes. So there you guys go. I didn't film a lot of it because it's kind of repetitive. It's just cutting, welding, grinding, cutting, welding, grinding. But we got from the strut towers to the frame rail on both sides. Then this bar came with it, but it wasn't bent this much at an angle. It was actually bent like that way. I think it was supposed to go more up here, but I made it fit because if it was bent like that, not as much as it is now, it would run right where the turbo is, basically. So bent it up out of the way. You still got room. It's a hair, but you got room in between the turbo and here. So I can slide something in there, show you guys. So there's still room between that and the turbo. Made a radiator mounts here, and the radiator is held in also down there on this pipe. I'll get it from right here. Held in from right here. And it's welded to the chassis. So I mean, this radiator ain't going nowhere. I mean, I'm moving the whole car. So, and then the tension arms, we got a flange welded on to that radiator support on both sides. Nuts welded up top, bolts on the bottom. But yeah, this car is basically done. And then I put some thread inserts. So this is a thread insert, a thread, what do you want to call it, using this. And then I got 2 down here. It only had 1 bolt to begin with, but I put 2 in there. And then 1 right there for that ground. So yeah, just gonna put some water in it, fill her up, and she's good to go home. The only thing that's zip tied is this right here, and that is because this is cracked and it was kind of leaning down. So this is just to kind of help it not fall off on its drive home. This is secured in place. This runs perfectly through right there. The only thing that touches is this little clamp, but it's fine. But yeah, she's welded all the way. Pretty symmetrical, being that this side of the car is about 1 inch lower, the frame rail, than that side. Not too bad, you know, I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, gonna fill this full of water and she's ready to go. Back home to her owner. Clout chaser tuning. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna put some water in her. And she's done. Peace out. See you guys on the next video.